Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Always ensure your golf cart is completely turned off and the key is removed before starting any work. When disconnecting, always remove the negative battery cable first, followed by the positive cable to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial first step sets the foundation for a safe repair process. Next, it's time for a thorough inspection. Look closely at each battery for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks, bulging, or excessive corrosion around the terminals. If you find corrosion, mix a solution of 1 cup of baking soda with 1 gallon of water to neutralize the acid. Use a wire brush to scrub the terminals clean, then rinse and dry them completely. Finally, confirm all connections are tight and secure. Now let's address electrolyte levels, which are vital for flooded lead-acid batteries. You should check these levels about once a month. If the plates are exposed, carefully add distilled water until they are covered by approximately 1/2 inch. Never use tap water, as minerals can damage the battery. After adjusting the water levels, connect your battery to a smart charger and allow it to complete a full charge cycle. This helps rebalance the cells. Finally, let's talk about testing and ongoing maintenance. Use a voltmeter to check the voltage of each individual battery. A fully charged 6-volt battery should read around 6.3 volts. A hydrometer can measure the specific gravity of the electrolyte, giving you insight into the battery's overall health. For long-term storage, always ensure your batteries are fully charged and kept in a cool, dry place to prevent self-discharge and extend their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.